SACENDU is the South African Community Epidemiology Network on drug use, and it aims to provide information on the emerging trends in drug abuse in South Africa. It's really a thermometer to put in at different points in time to show how we're doing in terms of drug abuse and alcohol abuse.
The idea came from treatment people from treatment centers, the doctors, the psychiatrists, and basically the health professionals to come together to share ideas and to look into substance abuse around the country.
Each province has its own drug trends. That's what we found.
We have a range of other drugs that are being abused, particularly stimulants like methamphetamine, methcatinone. We've seen an increase in the use of cocaine, and we've also seen changes in the demographic profile of drug users in this country.
Our guideline is that whatever we do in the field of substance abuse, that it be evidence-based to ensure that the outcomes that we want are that we arrive at the end of the day.
I think the people involved in the drug trade have changed and have seen a market for selling drugs to people who previously were not really seen as having much resources to spend on drugs.
The migration of drug trends is ever changing. What we do is we inform policymakers, treatment centers, and other governmental organizations and any individual or organization that deals with drug and alcohol abuse.
There are many people that are unfortunately not making it into treatment for a variety of reasons. Sometimes it's access. They may be 500 kilometers from the nearest treatment center. There may not even be a treatment center in their area.
If there's no treatment center in my area, so that means I have to take a taxi. Do I have money for that? So that's cost. And also admitting that I have a problem. What if my kids are taken away from me? So those are the challenges that females are facing.
So this is where universal level prevention becomes important, and this is why we need to push for it within this country.
SACENDU is, I believe, at the cornerstone of a surveillance system that's needed in a country like South Africa.